ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय आणवशाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद, पेज number 238. We have completed the thought process on Atmetyevopasita. Now, how to seek it? Katham punar etat padaniyam. In this, we saw how a cow which is lost is traced by Gavadi Khurankita Desha, that land where footsteps of the cow are there. From that, you trace it and you will find it. Tena padena nashtam pashum, which is vivitsitam. Vivitsitam in Tika it is given. Vivitsitam labdhumishtam, that which is desired to be attained. Means I want that back. On the previous page, see Tippani number 3. Gavadi. It is a big Tippani. You have to pay attention. Yatha khat khurankita desha hetukaha khurankita desha jnana hetuko va nashte adrishya adrishye vivakshite avimate gavadau bodho jayate. Just as yatha khat khurankita desha hetukaha. Khata means a land which is little soft, which is like made up of cow dung, etc., etc. In that, Purankita Desha. Pura means the footstep of a cow, the hoof. So when that is there, footsteps you can trace. Purankita Desha Hetukaha, 1. Second, Purankita Desha Jnana Hetukova. So one is Purankita Desha. Second is Purankita Desha Jnana. So two things. Either that object there on the ground, footstep, or the knowledge of that zone, both of them. Purankita Desha Jnana Hetukova Nashte Adrishya Vivakshite Avimate. Nashte Gavadav, but Vivakshite Gavadav. Cow which is lost, but you want it back. Bodho Jayate. Then you will get the Jnanam through this footsteps and the knowledge of that. Sacha tabhyam asprishta. Tabhyam Purankita Desha Jnanabhyam. The Desha and its Jnana. The Jnanam that I get of the cow, does that Jnanam have any association with the footstep there, or the knowledge? Means, does it have Sangha? It is Asanga. Cow Jnanam takes place which is not associated with the Khurankita Desha or Khurankita Desha Jnana. Tabhyam asprishta. Gavadi Matra Vishaya. You will get the knowledge of cow alone. That cow doesn't have anything to do with that desha or that desha jnana. In the same way, tatha नाम रूपादि प्रपंच उपाय हेतु को अप्रपंचात्मके भूमि प्रतीचि बोध प्रजायते. नाम रूपादि प्रपंच उपाय हेतु को नाम एंड रूप, नाम रूपादि प्रपंच उपाय. From this prapancha, I have to get the knowledge of Brahma. Just as from the footsteps, I have to get the knowledge of cow. So from this prapancha, the knowledge of Brahma that I get, either from prapancha or from prapancha jnana. Earlier it was Purankita desha jnanam. Cow is different from both of them. Cow's knowledge is different from both of them. In the same way, prapancha, nama rupatmaka prapancha or prapancha jnanam. From that, Brahma and Brahma jnanam are different. So that prapancha will become upaya. Nama rupadi prapanchopaya hetu ko aprapanchatmake bhumni pratichi bodha prajayate. Bhumni, what is this pratipadika?
Bahu.
Huh?
Bahu.
Human.
Human is the pratipadika. Human pratipadika, how Bhuma Shabda is formed?
That is from Bahu.
Bahu. So Bahu is the Mula Shabda. From that Bahu, Bahu will become Bhucha Bahu. So Bahu will become Bhu and Imanich Pratyay will come. Bahor Lopo Bhucha Bahu. This is the Sutra. Bahor Lopo Bhucha Bahu. Uma, you should know Shabda. So Bahu Lopa will happen. Instead of Bahu, Bhu Adesh will come. Who is there, then Imanich will be there. Right? In the Punadi Sutra. Chakar will go, Man will remain. Human. Humni pratichi bodha prajayate. तथा च कार्य कारण असंबंधी प्रत्यगर्थ प्रज्ञप्त्यर्थम यथा हेत्वादि दृष्टांत इति द्रष्टव्यम. तथा च इन द सेम वे कार्य कारण असंबंधी प्रत्यगर्थ प्रज्ञप्त्यर्थम. कार्य कारण असंबंधी, that which is not associated with कार्य और कारण. प्रत्यगर्थ प्रज्ञप्त्यर्थम. Pratyagartha means Atma, for the knowledge of Atma, which is not associated with Karya or Karana. Yatha Hetwadi Drashtanta iti Drashtavyam. So in Brahma Jnanam, how we use Prapancha and how we use Prapancha Jnanam, this is beautifully explained in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha and Dridrishya Viveka, both texts. How to use Prapancha? In Prapancha, whatever object is there, that object is recognized as Asti, Pato Asti, Ghato Asti, in this way. So in them, Sat is there. And it's Jnanam. So Jnanam is in Buddhi. So in that Buddhi, whatever Jnanam is there, in them, Sakshi is there, Chaitanya, present in all of them. That is Chidrupa. So in Prapancha, Brahma is present as Sadrupa. In Prapancha Jnanam, Brahma is present as Chidrupa. In this way, Sat Chid, they are there everywhere. In this way, you have to do Padaniyam, this Padaniyam, Gamaniyam. How will I find out? How will I do constant Chintanam of Brahma when I see Jagat? This is the question. So remember, if you do only this Chintanam, in this Pata there is Sat, in this Ghata there is Sat, in my Vritti there is Chit. That is not enough. This much you understood. In this Pata there is Sat. That Sat is pervading in other objects also. That Sat I am. In this way you have to think. Similarly, that Chit which is there in my Buddhi Vritti, in all Vrittis, all thoughts, Chaitanya is there. That's why it is Jnanam. That Jnana Swarupa, Chaitanya Swarupa I am. This also is needed. So Sadrupa I am, Chidrupa I am. Only Ghato Asti, Pato Asti, Asti, that us, Sadbhava is there in all, that much is not enough. That is me, that is also needed. In this way, when I do Chintanam, then Brahma Jnanam is possible. This is called Atmetyeva Upasita. That's why this Tippani we are reading, so that it becomes clear. Then Yadva, another point is also given. This much is enough. What I should understand is, through Prapancha, I have to get the knowledge of Aprapanchatmaka Brahma. So Prapancha is used to reveal Prapanchopashamam. Through Sat and Chit. Through Karya and Karana, Karya Karana Asambandhi, Pratyagartha will be known. Okay. So lot of these things which are given there, they are given in the shloka, in the Vartika. Right? Whatever is we read in the Tippani, it is actually there in Vartika. Most of Bade Maharaj's Tippanis, they have lot of Vartika. On next page, 239. Anveshana upayatvam darshayitum padena iti punaruktihi. Padena word is twice in that bhashya line. Tena padena nashtam vividsitam pashum padena anveshamano. So padena is given twice. Why? Anveshana upayatvam darshayitum padena iti punaruktihi. So it is as a upaya he has given for Anveshana upaya through padena. Anena iti atra veda iti jnanena upakramya anuvindet iti labham uktva kirtim ityadi shrutau punar jnanarthena vidina upasamharat anuvindet iti shrutehe upakrama upasamhara virodha syat iti shankate. Anena atmanam vindet. How Pashum vindet, in the same way Atmanam vindet. So, Anena iti atra Veda iti. So here Jnanam is the upakrama. Jnanena upakramya. Veda means to know. So Jnanam is upakrama. In the beginning, knowledge is said. Then anuvindet iti labham uktva. Then कीर्तिम इत्यादि श्रुतौ पुनः ज्ञानार्थेन विधिना उपसंहारात् अनुविंदेत इति श्रुतेः उपक्रम उपसंहार विरोध स्यात्. So first it is said Veda. Veda means jnana. It is there in upakrama. Upasamhara is also there. Vidhi. Vidhi means jnana arthaka dhatu is there at the end also. In between, anuvindet is given. Iti shrutehe upakrama upasamhara virodha. Then Shruti will have virodha. This anuvindet means to gain. Some gain. Jnanam portion is there. Then Jnanam portion at the end. In between, some gain is talked about. To gain something, you have to do karma. Iti labham uktva kirtim. So in between, you will get some gain, etc. In between, it will have virodha with upakrama and upasamhara. Iti shankate. Nanu आत्मनि ज्ञाते सर्वम अन्य ज्ञायते इति ज्ञाने प्रकृते. कथम लाभो अप्रकृत उच्यत इति. First you said आत्मनि ज्ञाते सर्वम अन्य ज्ञायते. When Atma becomes known, then everything else will become known. Okay. And therefore it is jnana prakarana. Then in between, what are you talking about? Labha, the gain. Katham labho, which is aprakrita, which is not the topic of discussion. Uchyate. Tika. Shankitam virodham nirakaroti. Siddhanti says, no, there is no virodha. No. Katham tayoho aikarthyam. So in Bhashya it is given Jnana Labhayoho Ekarthatvasya Vivakshitatvat. Between Jnana and Labha, they are same. See, what is the discussion? Purvapakshi said, you started with Jnana. You ended with Jnana. In between you said Labha, some gain. This is not the Prakaranam. Siddhanti said, no, Labha is Jnanam. Jnana labhayoho ekarthatvasya vivakshitatva. Between jnana and labha, you should understand ekartha, one meaning. That is the vivaksha, intention of the speaker. Then somebody is asking, how katham tayoho ekarthyam intika? Katham tayoho ekarthyam gramadau tadekatva aprasiddhehe iti ashankya. Knowledge and attainment, are they one in case of any town, any village? No. Knowledge of town and attaining town, they are two different things. Sitting here, I may know Kashi. That doesn't mean I have attained Kashi. To go to Kashi, I'll have to do some karma. So he says, Gramadau tad ekatva aprasiddhehe. In case of Grama, this ekatva is not prasiddha. Gramadau in Bhashya first, Atmano hi alabho ajnanameva. Non-attainment of Atma is because of Ajnanam. Atmanaha alabha is Ajnanam. I don't have Atma, this is only because of Ajnanam. Or in other words, I am not Brahma. This is only because of Ajnana. Really speaking, I am Brahma. I am not Brahma is Ajnana. Ajnanat abrahmatva. Jnanat brahmatvam. टीका ग्रामाद ग्रामादौ अप्राप्ते प्राप्ति ही एव लाभो न ज्ञान मात्रम तथा अत्रापि किम न स्यात् इति आशंका. पूर्व पक्षी से इन ग्राम एक्सेट्रा इन केस ऑफ एनी टाउन और सिटी और विलेज अप्राप्ते प्राप्ति ही एव लाभ, दैट विच इज नॉट ऑलरेडी गेन्ड. Prapti is labha, means attaining is what is called gain, not only knowledge, the jnana matram. That means in case of anatma, jnanam is there, but that jnanam is not prapti, not attainment. You have to do something else, na jnana matram prapti. So in case of atma also, why it can't be like that? Purvapakshi is asking. भाष्य तस्मात् ज्ञानम एव आत्मनो लाभो न अनात्म लाभवत् अप्राप्त प्राप्ति लक्षण. आत्मलाभो लब्धृ लब्धव्ययोर भेदा भावात्. ज्ञानम एव आत्मनो लाभः. आत्मनः लाभ इज ज्ञानम न अनात्म लाभवत्. सिद्धांत is telling अनात्म लाभ is not only ज्ञानम. Anatma labha is jnanam plus karma. You have to do something. No anatma labhavat. Aprapta prapti lakshana atma labho. Aprapta prapti lakshana is for atma or anatma. Anatma labha is aprapta prapti lakshana or atma labha is aprapta prapti lakshana.
Anatma labha is prapti prapt.
You have to answer my question. My question is it is like somebody says, Hata is Neela or Pata is Neela. So the Vruksha is Neela. That answer, my question is, Hata is Neela or Vruksha? Anatma Labha is Aprapta Prapti or Atma Labha is Aprapta Prapti?
Anatma.
अनात्म लाभ is अप्राप्त प्राप्ति. आत्म लाभो लब्धृ लब्धव्ययोर भेदा भावात्. Atma gain is where the attainer and attained, between them there is no bheda. It's a big statement. Who is going to attain? Say I. Okay. Who will know Brahma? I will know Brahma. So who is the attainer? I am. What am I going to attain?
Myself.
Myself, which is Brahma. So I will attain myself. So literally, if you take this, labdhru labdhavyayor bheda abhavat, between the labdha means the one who is going to gain. Labdhavya is Brahma. Between them, there is no gain. There is no difference. In other words, in case of Atma Jnanam, I am not going to gain anything different. I am only going to know new aspect of myself, which is already known. How do I understand? See, really speaking, Labdha is Pramata. Who is putting forth effort? Nirguna Brahma is putting forth effort to know Brahma, or Antakarana Vishishta Chaitanya is putting forth effort to know Brahma?
Antakarana Vishishta Chaitanya.
Antakarana Vishishta Chaitanya only can put forth effort. Because knowledge will not take place in Brahma. Knowledge will take place in Buddhi. Don't say I. Because I Shabda is used everywhere. So now you have to specifically say what is this I in each case. Knowledge will take place in Buddhi. Buddhi Vishishta Chaitanya is labdha, is pramada. What is attained is Brahma. So then, between pramata and Brahma, is there bheda or no bheda?
Yes, no bheda, but
There is
only
because pramata is antakarana vishishta
anubheda.
and Brahma is nirguna. So between them, there is some bheda. So what we should understand, when we start this inquiry, at that time this bheda is there. Then when I understand through Vedanta Shravanam that my upadhi is mithya, antakaranam is mithya. When I understand that antakaranam, manobuddhi, chitta, ahankara is mithya, that is called realization. This one who started journey as a knower is mithya. Then only in pramata, which is antakarana vishishta chaitanya, from that if the antakarana is mithya, then what will remain?
Chaitanya.
Chaitanya. Karana vishishta chaitanya, if antakarana is mithya, then what will remain is chaitanya. This jnanam, this chaitanya is Brahma. So labdru labdhavyayor bheda abhava will be there at the end of the journey when jnanam takes place. In this way, you should understand this one. So actually, in Prakarana Grantha, a lot of this prakriya should be understood first. Then in Upanishad, it is easy. A lot of Prakarana Granthas when they are studied. Otherwise, you hear, but then if you get the doubt, how the knower and known are one? Because knower has upadhi. Known cannot have upadhi. If known is also with upadhi, then that jnanam is not going to give moksha. If the doubt comes, then here there is no clarification. For that, you should have studied Prakarana Grantha, where all this is clarified. So this is why aham brahmasmi. In this vakya, what is the meaning of the word aham? Brahma, okay, I understand Brahma is nirguna Brahma, let us say. That is the mukhya artha. But what is the meaning of the word aham? So if I don't know, I will always remain confused and I will go on saying aham brahmasmi without knowing or understanding what I am saying. In Upadesh Sahasri, this has been clarified. How to understand aham brahmasmi vakya. Okay. ज्ञान लाभ शब्द टीका ज्ञान लाभ शब्दयोर अर्थ भेदस तरहि कुत्र इति आशंका आह ज्ञान लाभ शब्दयोः. So there are two shabdas. One is jnana, another is labha. Between jnana means knowledge, labha means attaining something. Jnana labha shabdayoho artha bhedas tarhi putra iti ashankya. Between them, how there is bheda iti ashankya. So doubt is raised. See in Bhashya. Yatra hi atmano anatma labdhavyo bhavati. यत्र हि आत्मनः अनात्मा लब्धव्यो भवति तत्र आत्मा लब्धव्यो अनात्मा. When आत्मनः अनात्मा लब्धव्यो भवति, when atma is seeking some anatma, like if I am seeking some object, something other than myself, anything. See, other than myself doesn't mean only ghata or pata. It can be other vyakti also is anatma. So it is not Atma, right? Atmanah anatma labdhavyo bhavati. Tatra Atma is labdha. Labdhavya is anatma. Such a aprapta. That anatma is aprapta. Aprapta utpadyadi kriya vyavahita. कारक विशेष उपादानेन क्रिया विशेषम उत्पाद्य लब्धव्य. So it is utpadya. Then what are the other three? The result of karma. Utpadyam,
उत्पाद्यम् आप्यं
Apya,
संस्कार्यं विकार्यं.
samskaryam, vikaryam.
utpadyam, apyam, samskaryam, vikaryam. So that which is aprapta, either you create or you attain it, buy it, etc., or you do some samskara or vikara. Padyadi kriya vyavahita. Karaka vishesha upadanena. How will you attain? You have to get some karaka. Then you have to do some kriya vishesha. And then you have to get it. Sitika. Anatmani labdru labdhavyayor jnatru jneyayoscha bhede. Kriya bhedat phala bheda siddhir ityartha. In anatma labdru labdhavyayor jnatru jneyayoscha bhede. In case of attaining anatma, the attainer is different, what is attained is different, right? So between jnata and jneya there is bheda, and therefore you need some kriya, etc. Kriya bhedat phala bheda siddhi. To attain ghata, I have to do one kriya. To attain pata, I have to do another kriya. They are different. Kriya bhedat, karaka is bheda, bhinna, kriya is bheda, phala is bhinna. Now anumanam is given. Nanu atma labho api jnanad vidyate labhatvat. Second line in tika. Anatma labhavat iti ashankya. Anatma labho api jnanad vidyate. Anatma labha is different from jnanam. Sorry. Atma labho api jnanad vidyate labhatvat. Anatma labhavat. Atma labha is different from jnanam. Purva Pakshi is anumanam. Because it is also a labha, like anatma labha. So in this, what is the vyapti?
Jnana is necessary.
यत्र यत्र लाभत्वं तत्र तत्र ज्ञानविद्यत्वं.
Yatra yatra labhatvam tatra tatra
ज्ञानविद्यत्वं.
jnanad vidyate means jnana bhinnatvam. Jnanad bheda means jnana bhinnatvam. Purva Pakshi is saying wherever there is any attainment, it is different from knowledge. Attaining ghata is different from ghata jnanam. Attaining pata is different from pata jnanam. Going to swarga is different from swarga jnanam. Swarga jnanam we all may have. Everybody doesn't attain swarga. You have to work hard. So in anatma labha, labha is different, its jnanam is different. In the same way, in case of atma labha also, in atma labha, labhatva is there or not? In atma labha,
It's not there.
labhatva is there. Therefore, Purva Pakshi says, jnanad bhinnatvam also should be there. Siddhanti says, in this anumanam, there is upadhi. Underline that part. Jnana hetru matra anadhinatvam is the upadhi. Means this anumanam is sopadhika anumanam. Because it is sopadhika anumanam, it is only hetu abhasa. What is jnana hetu matra anadhinatvam? We can see this in detail tomorrow. So you come prepared with this upadhi. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।